Hello everyone, welcome to Defi Dragon. Today we create a bot that will be work like a honeypot.is or like token sniffer where we can scan the tokens and we will get the all details about the tokens, have the liquidity and the other details like have a hidden owner or a hidden mint function, blacklist, whitelist, any details we will get. So let me paste the contract here on the honeypot.is and check for the details. So then we will get like low risk of the honeypot, and this is the liquidity and the contract open source. Okay, so let's run our bot node latest dot js. Okay, our bot is running now. So here our bot on the telegram is test underscore scan underscore bot. So I will click here on the start. So we will get here the welcome web message, and this bot have multiple networks. So I'm not sure how many networks this honeypot is supported, but here our bot supports 10 networks. So if we click here on the choose network, so here is the networks ETH, BSC base, and like this. So I will click here on the base, sorry, base not BSC, Binance Smart Chain. So now I will paste the same address as we tested on the honeypot.is. So as you can see, we are here getting the all details like name, symbol, supply, holder, and also the pancake swap, the dexes v2, v3, b swap, uniswap, and the amount of the liquidity, the percentage of the taxes, the LP holders, source code is verified and don't have these types of functions, and also the ownership the person have. So we have, this is a simple script that you can add on your channel, and people can post the address and can identify any token information.